In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn on Safe Search in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to Google. Take a moment to make sure you are on the Google page before moving forward. This setting is located through Google Search Settings. In the bottom right corner, you should see a link labeled Settings. It is usually small and placed along the bottom edge of the Google homepage. Move your cursor over to Settings and click it once. When you click Settings, a small menu will appear above it. After clicking Search Settings, wait for the Settings page to open. You should now see a page with several search-related options. The Safe Search section should appear near the top of the page. Now look for the Safe Search section at the top of the Search Settings page. In this section, you should see different options for Safe Search. To turn Safe Search on, select Filter. Choosing Filter tells Google to help filter explicit content from your search results. After selecting Filter, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. You may need to use your mouse wheel, trackpad, or the scroll bar on the right side of the browser window. Keep scrolling until you reach the bottom section of the Search Settings page. At the bottom of the page, look for the Save button. When you find it, click Save once. After clicking Save, Google will apply your updated Safe Search setting. If a confirmation message appears, that means your change has been saved successfully. At this point, Safe Search is turned on for Google Search in Google Chrome. You can now return to searching as usual, and Google will use the filter setting you selected. That covers everything you need to know.